Welcome to another quick review. Today we are going to take a look at the GLAKER 6-in-1 beard trimmer. What makes this beard trimmer any better or any more special than any of the other ones out there? Well, first of all, guys, it's the quality. It's the fact that they not only make a great product, but they make a great case for it. They have everything organized and everything is built to last. So this is the actual trimmer itself. It has a little cut guard on it. I like this tip, but this tip comes off and you can exchange it with 5 other tips in the kit. So before we look at this any closer, let's go ahead and see what you actually get in the box. So the first thing I'm going to point out about the GLAKER brand is they give really nice cases. It's a very flexible waterproof type case so that if it gets thrown around, it's going to protect the contents that are inside. They also have very good zippers that function very well, because if you're ever going to have a problem with any of these cases, it's generally going to be the zipper. It's going to bind up and then it makes the case worthless, or at least worthless as far as carrying it anywhere. Now, when you open it up, you're going to have a couple of things. You're going to have the smock that they give you, which is a little added bonus. Very nice. They're also going to give you the manual, and it's a pretty nice thick manual. Has a lot of the great information in it that you're going to want to read to understand how to use it. We're going to set that aside. Has the little compartment here to keep the manual and things in. They give you a little comb. This is going to be the charging unit. Now the charging unit is going to actually go into the very bottom, and that's a Type-C charger to a USB-A right here. So they make sure you don't lose that, and make sure you go ahead and charge it fully when you first get it. Do not run it without a full charge. Now, they're going to give you a bunch of little grooming kits here, what I call grooming combs, so that you can adjust the length of your beards right here. And by the way, inside the bag is also some oil. So they give you oil to be able to oil up your cutters, which is kind of a nice added little feature as well. You don't have to go buy that. And then you're going to have a bunch of different tips. Regular shaving units here, little bitty ones here. This could even get around the nose area a little bit better if you want. Another bigger shaver here, kind of like the first one. Let's see what our difference really is. I mean, honestly, they are very, very similar in size. Now, one is called a trimmer, one is called a clipper. Okay, so we have those, and then if you look over here on this one looks more like a razor type tip, so to be able to kind of work as basically an electric razor. And this one is a great nose one here, nose and ears. All right, so we have that, and then obviously this is going to be able to set right here like that. Put everything back in, and you are ready to rock and roll. You can keep your charger right here. Put your smock back here, put this on here, and zip it back up, and now you're ready to rock and roll down the road. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unit itself real quick, guys. Just pull everything aside here. We're going to pull it out. Like I showed you a while ago, the charging port is at the very bottom right here. Plug this into USB-A. It's a USB-C going into the unit. Now, the tops are going to change out extremely easy. They just pull right off. You can grab another one and you can place it on. We'll just take the nose trimmer one here and line it up. Let's see right there. And it has magnets. You'll feel it pull and grab. So it's super simple. You can hear it. So that makes that extremely nice. Now, all the blades on this are going to be stainless steel, which means you don't have to worry about rust. And one other thing I want to point out, guys, is when you talk about rust, this is actually designed to be able to use in wet environments. You can use this in the shower. If it gets wet in the shower, it's not going to hurt. If it gets wet while you're cleaning it, it's not going to hurt it. It's very simple to operate. You basically have just one button. When you push the button here, it's going to start, and you'll see a little light take off, and that light will kind of indicate how much power you have. Now, the actual runtime on this on a full charge is about 150 minutes, so it's going to last quite a while. And one other thing I wanted to point out, guys, is the combs. I didn't talk a lot about these really, but the combs are really good for longer beards. So you can do your little scruff type beards with these little trimmers, or with this one with the little guard, and gives you that scruff. But you're going to want to use these longer combs to be able to set the length of your beard really quickly and really easily. So if I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars. Matter of fact, the GLAKER brand makes such an awesome product that I'd probably give it 6 or 7 if I could. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you guys on the next review.